Hey there, science explorers! Have you ever wondered how your body gets energy from the food you eat? It's like a fascinating magic show happening inside you all the time, and it all starts with a process called glycolysis. Think of glycolysis as the first act in this grand performance of energy production, a process we call cellular respiration. It's the initial breakdown of sugar, like glucose from your yummy breakfast cereal, into smaller, more usable energy packets. Pretty cool, right? So buckle up as we embark on an exciting adventure into the world of glycolysis, where we'll unravel the mysteries of how our cells turn food into fuel. Get ready to be amazed. Okay, imagine a bustling city inside every one of your cells. That's the cytoplasm. It's like the main street where all the action takes place, including our star performer, glycolysis. You see, unlike some cellular processes that happen in specific compartments, glycolysis takes center stage right in the cytoplasm. Now picture this. A molecule of glucose, our energy source, enters the cytoplasm. It's raring to go, but it's still in a form our cells can't quite use yet. That's where glycolysis swoops in like a master chef to break down that glucose into smaller, easier to manage pieces. It's like chopping firewood. Smaller pieces are much easier to burn for energy. Hold on to your lab coats because glycolysis is a two-part act. First, we have the energy investment phase. Think of it like putting coins in a vending machine. You need to spend a little energy to get the process going. In this phase, the glucose molecule gets rearranged and split into two smaller molecules called pyruvate. Next up is the energy payoff phase, where things get really exciting. Now remember those coins you put in the vending machine? Well, get ready for a jackpot. As the pyruvate molecules are further processed, they release energy that's captured in the form of ATP, the cell's primary energy currency. Section 4. The grand finale, glycolysis, yields its treasures. After all the excitement of glycolysis, what are we left with? Quite a haul, actually. First off, we've got two molecules of pyruvate, which are like energy-rich parcels ready for the next stage of cellular respiration, but that's not all. Glycolysis also nets us a couple of ATP molecules. Remember, that's our cellular energy currency, and as a bonus prize, we get a couple of NADH molecules. Think of NADH as a delivery truck carrying high-energy electrons. These electrons are crucial for later steps in cellular respiration, where even more ATP is generated. It's like a chain reaction of energy production. Section 5. Glycolysis, the unsung hero of our cells. Now you might be thinking, okay, glycolysis sounds cool and all, but why is it so important? Well, my friends, glycolysis is nothing short of a cellular superhero. It's the foundation of energy production in all living organisms, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest animals. Without glycolysis, our cells wouldn't have the energy to do all the amazing things they do, like contracting muscles, transmitting nerve impulses, or even just staying alive. What's even cooler is that glycolysis can happen with or without oxygen. That means even when you're working out really hard and your muscles are starved for oxygen, glycolysis can still provide some energy to keep you going. Talk about a lifesaver. Section 6. Remembering the steps, a sweet mnemonic treat. Now, I know remembering all the steps of glycolysis can seem a bit daunting, but don't worry, I've got a sweet mnemonic for you. Just remember the phrase, "Goodness gracious, Father Franklin did go by picking pumpkins." Each word in the phrase represents a key molecule in the glycolysis pathway. Goodness, glucose, gracious, glucose 6-phosphate, father, fructose 6-phosphate, Franklin, fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, did, dihydroxyacetone phosphate, DHAP, go, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, G3P, by 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, picking, 3-phosphoglycerate, pumpkins, pyruvate. There you have it. A fun and easy way to remember the steps of this essential cellular process. Section 7. Conclusion. The glycolysis adventure continues. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the amazing world of glycolysis. We've learned how this essential process kicks off cellular respiration, breaking down glucose into pyruvate and generating a bit of ATP along the way. We've also seen how important glycolysis is for all living things and how it can even occur without oxygen. But our journey through cellular respiration isn't over yet. Stay curious and keep exploring what happens to those pyruvate molecules as they enter the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, for the next exciting chapter in energy production.